Hello everyone, welcome to CAD Nest. In this video, we are going to see how to use the CAD software Nx CAD. So if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our CAD Nest YouTube channel for more updates. So let us go for the design environment and let us see how to use the Nx CAD software.
New, here I'll be specifying my units as millimeter itself, and I'll be taking new model. Okay, here you go for sketching task environment and select your reference plane, give it as OK. Here you can see my drawing is symmetry over a center line. So what I'll be doing is I'll be drawing a half sketch that is over this line, then I'll be mirroring the curve. For that I'll be taking profile first, then I'll be drawing my profile like this. Say at first I'm not taking any dimensions. For that I'll be drawing a random sketch, then later I'll be giving dimensions. Like this I have taken a simple sketch. Now I will go for rapid dimension and then dimension my sketch. So from this point to this point it should be 15. Why? Because I am taking half sketch. Here it is totally it is given as 30, but as I am taking half of the sketch, it will be 15. And then this distance, it is 20, and also this distance it is given as 30. And from center point to this end point, the overall distance it is 80. I'll be taking half of that, so that it will be 40, like this. And here there is a fillet of radius 15. I'll be taking fillet. I'll be selecting this curve and then this curve, and I'll be specifying the fillet radius as 15. Double click on this, edit it as 15, and the next, this radius it is given as 10. Again I'll be taking fillet, this end and this end, the radius should be 10. Double click and edit it as 10. So you can see my outer sketch is completed. So what I'll be doing is, now I'll be mirroring my curve over the center line. For that I'll be going for mirror curve. Now I'll be selecting my curve to be mirrored. This is my curve, and I'll be selecting my center line. So this is my center line. Now you can see my sketch has been mirrored. Okay, and also one more thing you can see here is this distance it is 50, but I have not specified here. Now I'll be specifying this then, and then this, and it should be at a distance of 25, like this. Okay, now my outer sketch has been completed. Now I'll be drawing the inner circles. For that, let me take a dimension, that is these two circles are at a distance of 60. So what I'll be doing is I'll be creating one of the profile, and I'll be going for mirroring my profile. Take a circle, draw a random circle like this with a diameter 10, and then go for rapid dimension and specify the distance, that is from this end to this end, this end to the center point, the distance is 40. Here you can see the distance is 40, and again I will go for rapid dimension, distance between this and then this, and it should be taken as 10, like this. And one more circle at the center point of here, the diameter it should be 10, and the distance from center point to the line will be 10, like this. We'll be creating a circle, and now I'm going to mirror my curve, mirror this curve and then this curve along the center line of this. Now I'll be drawing my center circle. Take randomly like this. The diameter it should be taken as 40, and now you can specify your distance, that is from the center point to this end it should be 40, and also center to this line, that is horizontal axis, it should be 0. You can see it is 0.3, change it to 0. So like this you will be creating your sketch in Nx CAD. So this is all for now. With some more examples, let's meet in a next video. Thank you.